my name is Natalia and today I'm going to show you how to create this card for New Year's Eve. It's very easy to create and you can make the same card for birthdays. So here's what you need to create this card. Take your card and fold it in half. Measure the long side of the card and transfer that measurement onto some decorative paper and make a mark. And from that measurement, measure downwards 2 centimeters and make another mark. Make the final line to create your strip and cut it out. Fold the strip in half and measure 5 centimeters inwards from each end. Place your ruler on the markings and bend the paper over it. Then place your fingers on the middle fold and push inwards to make it look like a W. I kinda changed my mind with the design of the strip, so I'm just adding some silver panels onto it. Put some glue on the ends here. Attach one end to the top of the card and then press down to make it stick. Attach the other end of the strip, and you might need to close the card a bit so it's easier for you to glue the other end onto the card. Leave it to dry and move on to the fun part, which is to create the dangling pieces. Decide what you want to have dangling and what kind of paper you want to use. Cut a piece of string, then put some glue on the back on the middle of your dangling piece, then add the string. Leave it to dry completely before moving it around. You can also decorate the card. You can add poems, pictures, drawings, whatever you like. Put some glue right here into this crease. Pull your dangling pieces through this hole and put the string onto the glue. And you can add 1 or 2 more dangling pieces. Leave it to dry completely before cutting off any excess string. It's an awesome way to celebrate New Year's and birthdays, so just let your imagination loose and get creative. And now for the random question of the day. If you had to give up one thing that you do every day, what would it be? For me, it would definitely be waking up and checking my phone instead of just getting up and getting ready. Nothing would thrill me more if that was not a part of my everyday routine. Now I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for more New Year's Eve DIYs, check out these videos here and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!